is Dr. Bev Knox, and you are listening to my psychology tutorials. Learn psychology while you sleep. Principles of getting along with people generally apply to the negotiating process. One such principle is that people like to make their own decisions and judgments. In persuasion, we must deal with others' perceptions. Therefore, in persuading people, your job is to lead them with information demonstrating that the result you want is beneficial or not harmful to them. You have a better chance at persuasion when you can show that the proposal is good for both sides. Argument alone is unlikely to persuade. It is necessary to lead them with information demonstrating that the results is beneficial for all parties. At times, persuasion is not possible. People like to make their own decisions. People search for validity when perceiving information and are unable to evaluate persuasive arguments. The most valuable is credibility, which is related to trust. Each individual has a latitude of acceptance and a latitude of rejection. If the argument is too inconsistent with prior beliefs, the argument will be rejected. If the argument is not incompatible with prior beliefs, it may be accepted. The greatest likelihood of acceptance will attach to arguments regarding matters on which the person holds no prior opinion. Consideration of arguments incompatible with prior beliefs causes cognitive dissonance and may trigger selective processing along with efforts to refute the argument. Diplomacy facilitates effective negotiation. Becoming more persuasive requires practice. Practice, practice, practice.